Hey guys, what's up? Sunil here, and this box just delivered to me. It's Mi Band 3. I placed order of this yesterday evening around 8:30 p.m. and it got delivered today morning around 8:15. So Amazon took less than 12 hours to deliver this thing. So big thumbs up to Amazon for their fast delivery. Now Mi Band 3 is here, and there is a lot of buzz about it in market right now. People are going crazy about it. Some people are complaining, but majority of them are like very happy. Okay, the new Band 3, and even Xiaomi itself is saying a lot of things about their Band 3. They are saying it's a next level, it's much improved version. So yeah, let's, without waiting anymore, open this box and see what's inside. So here is the band box itself, and this is the new pink color Amazon receipt. That's different. Pink color, and this is all crap inside the box. So this is the box, guys. At the top you can see the first look. This probably will be sticker, not the actual time display and something. So this is a sticker, this is the band, and yeah, Mi logo. At the back we have these details like product name, color, water resistance. So yeah, the MRP mentioned here is 2,199 rupees, but on Amazon right now the offer is going on, so you can buy it for 1,700 rupees, and I guess the regular retail price of this band is 2,000 rupees. So that's the details, and there are some product description like it has a 5 atm water resistance, so that means basically 50 meters. Battery capacity is 110 mAh. Adjustable length of strap is 155 mm to 216 mm, and there is a li-ion polymer battery, not the lithium ion battery, so it's a different type of battery. And the length, breadth and height of the fitness track band, it's 1.79 by 4.69 by 1.2 centimeter, and yeah, it's compatible with Android 4.4 and above and iOS 9 or above. It says it contains one fitness tracker, one wristband, one charging cable and one user manual. So let's open it. Okay, I like these kind of packings which are basically hassle free. So this is your band, we'll come to it later, and a silicone wristband. And guys, the first impression is quite good. this is very smooth. Mi Band 2 and HRX also had pretty good wristbands, but this one is a little better. It feels slightly more smooth in hands. So yeah, the first impression of this band is it's really smooth, it's good. And this is your charger. So if you can see, here is the two pins which connect to your band and charge them, and it's regular USB type A charger. There's nothing else, only the user manual. Yeah, some paperwork, user manual, so we'll keep this aside. The thermocol piece. So just to get it out, I guess we have to just so this is your Mi band basically, and you can see there is the heart rate sensor here at the back and a small Mi branding, and the front is clean, there is nothing on it. Here are your charger pins, and rest everything is clean. So if I just take this off, and it has started. So let's put it into the wristband. Yeah. Now here is the first difference compared to Mi Band 2. I mean, you can see it's almost the same size, but then the edges are more curved, and it basically merged with the wristband better than the before. So yeah, it probably gonna look better on your wrist compared to Mi Band 2. Okay, so it says pair your device first. So till the time I'll pair this with my phone, we'll go through the specifications. So the capsule size is 179 by 46.9 by 12 mm, and the total strap length is 247 mm as said on the box, and the adjustable strap length is between 155 to 216 mm, or 15.5 centimeter to 21.6 centimeter. So that's quite enough for almost every wrist size. And the battery capacity is 110 milliampere. It's a polymer battery, and again Xiaomi is claiming about 20 days of battery life with Mi Band 3, and the total weight is 20 grams. Now going by the Mi Band 2 experience, the battery life on normal use might surpass the 20 days claimed by Xiaomi, because there are many cases with Mi Band 2 where people were getting close to 25 to 26 days of battery life. So probably we can expect same kind of battery backup here with Mi Band 3. The body material is plastic and the buckle is aluminum alloy, and it comes with Bluetooth 4.2. so here is a upgrade compared to Mi Band 2, which came with Bluetooth 4.0, and it has a 50-meter water resistance IP rating, basically 5 AMT. So you can go swimming or small diving with this wristband, and it is again one major upgrade over Mi Band 2. Operating temperature as per Xiaomi is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, which is quite enough. Screen size has improved compared to Mi Band 2. It's now 0.78 inches. And the resolution is 128 by 80, and it's a OLED touchscreen, and it looks crisp and can display more information compared to Mi Band 2. So this is also, I'll say, a marginal upgrade over Mi Band 2. The total weight is approximately 20 grams, which is again good thing. I mean, it's pretty light on your wrist, and after using 2 or 3 days you will stop feeling the weight of this band on your hand or on your body. So I have paired this device with phone, and basically you have to download a Mi Fit app first and then pair this device. You cannot just switch on your Bluetooth and pair it with your phone and use it with Google Fit or other open source Android activity tracker apps are not compatible with this band. I mean, it has its own proprietary Mi Fit app, and you have to download that, and it's a decent app, nothing wrong with it. It can be improved, but then it's okay. So let's take a close look of band. So this is how it looks from behind. I mean, you can see it has a heart rate sensor, and it shows some pinkish light. Now this part is quite rigid, so I hope this silicone band, it will not get loose easily, so it will last a good time. And then we have this aluminum buckle, and the slots are clean. I mean, the holes are clean, there is no marking here and there. And at the front we have this capsule, and it is a touch screen, so basically you don't just have to use this button, you can simply slide and see what's going on. So here are the different modes: step counts, distance, burn calories, battery, and then these things. Then you have your heart rate sensor. Then we have temperature, so it shows 3 days temperature: tomorrow, next day, today. And then of course your exercise mode, notification mode. You can view your app notifications, SMS notifications, call notifications. You can even reject call from the band itself, and you can see your Gmail notifications, WhatsApp and Instagram notifications, and more settings like your this is timer. and this is silent mode settings, and find your device, screen time about. Then it is water resistance up to 50 meters. So as I said, you can go swimming, you can go diving up to 50 meters, and you can record all those activities and see how much calorie you have burned, how much time you have gone swimming. So that's quite a good thing. I mean, this is one of the feature I always look for in activity tracker or fitness band. Also tracks activity in real time, but obvious. And you can also locate your phone with this fitness band, and it has a optical or ppg heart rate monitor. Xiaomi is claiming they have improved their algorithm, so now it reads more accurate heart rates and gives you a better average. And I'll just show you guys how the heart rate sensor works. Now for better accuracy, one should wear the wrist band or the fitness band little tight on it, on his wrist or her wrist, because that gives a more accurate heart rate. So it's reading my heart rate right now. And this is at 62 bpm. So this is how, so basically you press and hold it, and then it reads your heart rate and shows you. It takes a little time, almost a minute. It's dropped to 56. I don't know, I mean, why it's dropping. And if I'll give you the closer look at the heart rate sensor, here you can see the two green lights. This is basically an optical or a ppg sensor. So overall it's quite effective. Yeah, here is a closer look now without light. And it also has a pedometer, which basically track your steps, and a sleep quality monitor. Xiaomi also focusing a lot on their improved new sleep quality monitor algorithm, which they say is much more improved and now very accurate. And it has a 3-axis accelerometer basically to track your steps and all, the pedometer thing. And the rest of the build is thermoplastic, so it's not cheap, it's good. And when it comes to size, I have a small wrist size, and you can see if I'll just wear it, see, it's perfect. I mean, the capsule is not very big. I mean, for those who might be thinking that the increased size might affect their movement, no, it's perfect. I mean, it's perfectly fitting on my wrist, so it will fit on almost every wrist because my wrist size is small. So on bigger wrist it will fit more perfectly. I mean, it's just covering up my whole wrist width, probably half inch there and half inch here left. So most of my wrist is covered by this capsule, but as you can see, it's not looking odd, it's fitting perfectly, and there is still 3 holes left. So even someone having smaller wrist than me can wear this band easily. So if you are someone who was waiting for this band for quite a long time and still waiting to see some reviews and all, I'll suggest go ahead and buy, because right now there is an offer going on Amazon. You can check the links below in description box. So this is the first impression of Mi Band 3 from my side, guys, and at the first look it is impressive. What do you think about this Mi Band 3? Go ahead and comment section and write down your opinions. If you have any question, go ahead and ask there. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. So that's it from this video, guys. I'll come up with full review after using it for some time. Till then, stay tuned. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that red subscribe button, share it with your friends and family. Let's share some love, guys. So I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Ciao.